microgrid systems intelligent joint. Control photovoltaic energy storage. Equipment 55-degree high. Temperature full load. Operation IP55 protection against dust and salt spray 3-stage. Filtration system fearless. Gobi Desert from the South China Sea to Xinjiang extreme environments. Can also stabilize output 3 filter system. Upgrade extended oil pan design. Standard maintenance. Breaks through 1,000 hours 30 reduction in maintenance. Costs 20 increase in battery life. Say goodbye to frequent starts and stops 5G. Base station without power life. Support with zero risk industrial. Manufacturing recovery in second Weichai WP2.3 with extreme silence and intelligence. Predict the value of each kilowatt hour of electricity.